Welcome to Quikbox. Get ready to dive into the fascinating world of corrugated boxes as we take you through each step of the process. In today's episode, we'll start by exploring the raw materials used in the production of these boxes. The first step in the production of corrugated board is carried out in a machine known as a single phaser. A single phaser combines a liner and a medium to form a single face web. To accomplish this, the medium is passed through a set of corrugating rolls under high heat and pressure to form the flutes that give corrugated board its strength and cushioning capability. Each set of corrugating rolls is manufactured in specific flute profiles to create the performance attributes required for the finished packaging item. A pressure roll loads the correct pressure and also brings the liner into contact with the fluted medium after the glue roll applies a cornstarch. Based adhesive to the flute tips. The glue roll then turns against a metering roll to control the proper amount of adhesive that is delivered to the flute tips. It is vital that the corrugating rolls be pressed properly and that the adhesive reaches the proper temperature and consistency to establish a strong bond between the liner and the fluted medium. This combination is known as the single face web. The single face web then exits the single phaser and is elevated to a bridge that transports the web to the double glue unit and the double glue backer. The liner and corrugated medium are fed into the single phaser from opposite sides via a pair of roll stands connected by a splicer. When a roll is exhausted or a change in paper grade or which is required, the splicer allows the machine to switch from one roll to another without pausing. As the roll is unwound and heads to the single phaser, the paper passes around heated rolls or preheaters that bring the paper to the proper temperature for the corrugating process. Wrap arms control how long the paper is exposed to the heat, allowing a degree of control in increasing or decreasing head to the paper. Incline belts transport the single face web up and away from the single phaser. The web folds up and festoons along the entire length of the bridge until it reaches the end part that leads to the triple stack. This allows the single face web to cure with a tight bond, ensuring that the flute structure's integrity is not spread. If double wallboard is being produced, both of the corrugator's single phasers are in operation, supplying two single face webs to the bridge for joining at the double glue unit. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll explore the different types of corrugated boxes and their applications.